Is that real?
That is 100%
Are you sure?
positive.
That's crazy.
What? That's insane.
What do you mean it's free?
We are not charging you today.
Why?
We're giving back to our community in an effort to say thank you for supporting us during this time. We would like to support you too.
Oh, I'm gonna cry.
Is that serious? Well, thank you very much.
Free.
Free.
Today.
Yes.
I don't pay nothing.
100%.
Really?
Word.
Perfect. I will take that. Hey, I'll take that. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That is nice.
That's awesome.
We'll actually be replacing your windshield at no charge today.
Thanks.
No worries. We understand that it is tough times right now. So today, this windshield replacement is 100% on us.
Thanks so much.
No worries.
That's amazing.
That's amazing.
Well, I'm flabbergasted.
It's free.
It's free.
That's exciting.
Today, your windshield is free.
That's so exciting. You guys are amazing. Thank you. Yeah.
On Monday the 4th.
Cool.
High five.